Traders, Anthony here. We're looking at the pound dollar. Okay, so we've got this move, 4-hour chart, downtrends, lower lows, lower highs. This is a 4-hour balance area up in here. I'm going to show you how you can get involved on the lower time frame and navigate the volatility. I'm looking for an entry point here, and I'm most likely going to go down to a 15-minute chart. See this through here, this range? And we've got this thin candle here. I'll be looking for a move back up in to rebalance through this gap, and then I'll be looking to short it something like that. All right, so that's that. Now I want to show you something that I think is pretty special. We're going to go out of here, and I want to go up to this chart. So this is in a downtrend. And when you have a solid trend going on, let's just count these up. 1, 2. And we only take these red dots when we're trading within, see this shaded range here? This is the New York range. Okay, so there's a trade opportunity, and we're looking for these through this blue zone. This is the London open range, the red dot. Okay, so we ignore everything else pretty much. And the orange one, this is the Asia range. Right, so what we're doing is we're looking for a couple of things. We want to see these bars down the bottom here? I've got this one, and further down, when these are red and we've got a solid trend running on the higher time frame, we can come down to this 5-minute chart, and we take these, and I can show you, probably go back 10 or so, and we have that one was out of the range. I mean, you can take them, but I prefer to see this range. This is the New York range here, this white shaded or whatever, and you would have got an alert on the 3-minute chart up here. So that's you want to look for these on the 5-minute and the 3-minute. So here's the London range. We've got the alert. I mean, look at these trades. The last 10 of these trades, we've got a 10 out of 10 win rate. This one here depends on your stop loss. This is coming into the Asian range. All right, so I mean, you may or may not have got caught with that one. No, but you can see what I'm getting at. And I mean, see these bars down the bottom? When we've got a solid trend like this, I mean, look at this. How many of these? I mean, you know, you want these trades. All right, now depending on your stop loss, well, see this yellow line. By the way, guys, click the link below. You'll be able to gain access on the website, tradingwithanthony.com, and you'll see links to join. We've got a little thin orange line that runs through here. That's a weekly institutional level. Institutional, well, it's a previous weekly high or low, and we take notice of these because bigger players tend to plan their trades around the daily and the weekly. Yeah? So we look for these levels, and we set up our trades. You know, I like that. Push up, takes out liquidity above that, and away we go. So yeah, I mean, look, you can see how strong these signals are. Jump on board, guys. Join me on this journey. You're going to be surprised. For the price of a cup of coffee and a piece of cake once a month, you can have access to this, as well as my VIP group, daily signal, you name it. All right, click the links below. So with that, look, I hope you have a great day. That was a nice one. Safe trading. And again, this is see this here, I'm looking for the opportunity. Now, it might happen in the Asia close, around the Asia close, New York open. But if this trades back up, see, we want to basically close this gap. And if we get that in the New York, all right, that, we'll probably get another one of those. That's an opportunity to short it. All right, with that, have a great day. See you in the next one.